American Cocktail Club. It is time for some grapefruit. Not grapefruit, great fruit. This month in our box, we've got some gin. We also have some grapefruit and rosemary syrup from our good friends over at Wood Stove Kitchen. Some Volley Sharp Grapefruit Agave Tequila Sparkling Water. And then not included in your box is a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice, some dehydrated grapefruit, and some spicy margarita mix that's gonna help us with our garnishing. Okay, let's go. First, we're gonna take a little bit of fresh lime and rub it around the edge of your glass to help that spicy margarita mix stick just like that, just so. Okay, now let's add some ice. Now let's make a cocktail. Let's add a little ice to your shaker. Let's take your gin and add 1.7 ounces to our shaker, 1.5 ounces of grapefruit rosemary syrup, and then let's add 0.5 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. Yes, it has to be fresh. Let's give it a shake. There it is, the shake. Oh, look, everything looks good in slow motion. Look at that. Next, let's double strain that bad boy over our fresh ice. We're gonna now top it with a little bit of that sharp grapefruit sparkling seltzer. Give it a little stir so that first sip is nice and balanced. And then garnish, bam, with a little bit of that dehydrated grapefruit. Cheers, guys. Enjoy, American Cocktail Club.